If you want to enable and set up mobile hotspot on a Realme 14T, then first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in the settings we want to go to connection and sharing, and then you should be able to find personal hotspot. Of course, over here we have the hotspot settings where we can check the password and change it. The same goes with the hotspot name, and you can also change the AP band. And if you made any changes, then remember to press save over here in the top right corner. Now we can just turn on our hotspot by using this switcher. If it's enabled, you should also see this QR code generator, so we can tap on this icon in order to generate the QR code. Besides that, there is also an option, I believe, in quick settings that allows you to quickly turn on and off the hotspot. However, it might not be added by default, so let's see. It is actually located over here on the next page, so we can tap here in order to turn it on or off. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.